Hello. In this video I will show you how to convert text to speech in any language just like the one you hear right now. First, visit freetext-to-speech.org. Now choose your voice, then insert your text into the text box. I will copy some random text. Now click Synthesize, then click Play to hear the output.
If red use way makes spot hound or in daughter goodness and likewise oh consider it procured wandered.
Way make spot how nor. And daughter goodness and likewise oh consider it procured wandered.
Ave red use way make spot how nor. And daughter goodness and likewise oh consider it procured wandered.
Now we will try other languages.
Divine sabbia medici sui dei suo. Mi convulsa o talvolta percosso travolge fu ingombro. Esistenza singolare un levandoti estenuato va. Quanto ora che dovrei invece.
出即安而来，可汗流如雨，欲不提，会懒，冒认收了，是父亲回衙，官居，官居为得志，乐而不淫，不。
And what is more amazing about this tool is that you can download the voice as an MP3 file very easily.
出即安而来，可汗流如雨，欲不提，会懒，冒认收了，是不淫，即转身，气乃返，官居。
Visit freetext-to-speech.org and start converting your text to speech. Share this website with your friends if you know someone who is struggling to find a good text-to-speech tool. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.